Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here at a client's property. We are about to do a full 5-bedroom conversion out of this property. He has it under contract right now for $58,000. Rehab, our contractor, is on the way right now to run through the numbers and see exactly what it needs as far as work goes, but it needs a lot, I'll tell you right now. Let's walk through. I'm going to tell you very briefly. It has some black mold in here. I don't want to be in here very long. We're going to kind of run through it. So I'll tell you a little bit about what it needs right now while I'm kind of outside. We're going to add 2 full bedrooms, okay? It needs a brand new roof. It needs all new flooring, all new paint, all new doors, all new everything in this entire house, all right? It's going to be an incredible rental. It's on an absolutely beautiful street. It's trash in the yard. There's trash everywhere. We got to fix all that stuff, but we're going to be in a really good position with it. And I'm so excited for my client, Jake, who just purchased it. So let's run in. Keep in mind, we're going to be kind of quick. But guys, coming in here, we enter immediately into a really large living room. What we're going to do right here is we're going to put a wall up right here. We're going to build a closet. And this is going to be the 1st bedroom addition. So technically this is going to be bedroom number 1, okay? Off of bedroom number 1, we're still gonna have a living room that opens right up. So we're still gonna be in a great place to have people over to entertain and to still have good living room space. Now, you see active water damage coming in through the ceiling, remnants and beginnings of black mold right here. It's all throughout the house. So it needs a brand new roof. Now, all new flooring, all new paint, new windows, everything. As we walk into this room, a lot of black mold here on the ceiling, active water leak. We have water dripping on this floor right here as well, okay? Coming into the kitchen. Kitchen actually not in terrible shape, but again, all new flooring is needed in this kitchen. It's awful. We got to rip these cabinets out, clean this whole thing up, rip the appliances out, and redo this. Head over here into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, new light fixtures, new smoke detectors. Got to fix the holes in the ceiling. We got water coming in right there. New drywall work on this wall as well. We need electrical work done in here too. So virtually, guys, everything needs to be touched in every single one of these rooms. Huge bathroom in there. Everything in here looks good. We're going to put a new vanity in there, new toilet in there, new flooring in there, clean this whole thing up as well. New light fixtures, everything. Coming in here, guys, what we'll do here, again, we're going to add another bedroom right here. So we're going to go wall here, wall this off, closet in here, bedroom number 5. This thing's gonna bring in most likely about $1,400 a month. This is going to be a monster. So happy for my client that has this under contract. New light fixtures, of course, new doors. That's what happens when you have animals. Terrible, guys. Remember, all new paint, all new carpeting throughout the whole house. Gonna do this the right way. As we come upstairs, we have more bedrooms. That beautiful, huge bedroom up here. We're gonna redo this whole thing. New flooring, new paint, new light fixtures, new doors, absolutely everything. We have a bathroom right there to your left as well. So we'll redo that. And then coming in here, of course, we'll redo this entire thing. All the ceilings coming down there as well. So we're gonna have to do a new roof there. Okay? And again, that was one of the reasons why I said we have to do a new roof opposed to, all the other leaks that are going on, but we also have that leak over there that we need to take care of. Really nice yard, guys, in the back. A lot of space, but a lot of trash. Really have to do a nice job cleaning it up and getting it ready. But other than that, Really, really great house. Tons of potential. If you can go in houses, and this is a special gift. Not everybody has this. The ability to go in a house and visualize what can be done. Okay, I can add a bedroom here, I can add a bedroom here to maximize our profit. If you can do that, you have a gift, you guys should capture that. So when I walk through this house, if you can see the end result here, you are a real estate investor. If you want to buy things like this and you want to create income from something like this that is so cheap, send me an email in the description below and we'll get you started. If you want to build the future for your own wealth, but also help other people who are less fortunate than you, this is a great way to do it, and we can get started whenever you're ready. So guys, look forward to seeing you on the next video, and if by any chance, anything I missed, drop them in the comments below. Any questions you have, I'll get to all those as well. Guys, we'll see you next time.